Today I'm going to be reviewing the Realme 9 Pro and Realme 9 Pro Plus. I hope you find this video educational and fun. In my other videos, I shared a review of other products like the Samsung Galaxy A73, the powerful features of the S Pen for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and so on. If you've not seen it, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get access to other videos. Let's get started. Let's start with the Realme 9 Pro. The Realme 9 Pro is a successor to the Realme 8S 5G. When put against the 8S 5G, the 9 Pro can be said to be a very big improvement. The device comes in a standard box that also contains the user manuals, the 33-watt power brick, the USB-A to USB-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool. Design. The Realme 9 Pro has a distinctive design. The Realme 9 Pro has an all-round sharp edge, not sharp enough to cause any harm though. Its back is nicely curved to the sides for a more comfortable grip. The device comes in different colors like midnight black, sunrise blue, which changes color under direct sunlight, and so on. The device has a flat plastic frame side that imitates the anodized aluminum and matte look, and the power and volume keys on one side are adequately positioned. Battery life. The battery life of the Realme 9 Pro can be described as outstanding. This is a big improvement when compared to the Realme 8S 5G and the Realme 8 Pro. The Realme 9 Pro has a big 5000 mAh battery and a 695 5G Snapdragon that proves to be very efficient. The battery's longevity allows users to watch movies and play games for a very long time before charging it again. The device has an overall endurance of 134 hours of battery life, which is made possible through video playback runtimes. The Realme 9 Pro and 8S 5G charging tech are the same. They both use the 33-watt power brick. Realme made this serve as a budget solution, and they go into detail about it. The charger is not as fast as the standard 30-watt Dart charge and cannot be compared to Xiaomi's 33-watt charger for a device that is in the same price range, but the charger does its job well. For a 30-minute charge, you get a 52% battery life back, and if you leave it for 1 hour and 14 minutes, you'll get 100% battery life back. The charger is in the device's retail package and is rated at 5 volts to 11 volts at 3A. Sound. Do not expect much quality or very loud sound from the Realme 9 Pro. This is because it has a single bottom-firing speaker. Still, if it is not top-notch like some devices, it is considered to be very good for its -25.3 LUFS. It is loud enough for you to hear your ringtone from afar. Other features. The LCD panel offers a 1080 by 2412 pixel resolution on a 6.6-inch diagonal, which in my opinion is good to go. It is at 120 Hz and offers a low latency touch sampling rate of 240 Hz. The low latency helps in competitive games where reaction time is very important. While being tested, the display went up to 461 nits when the brightness slider was manually set to a maximum, and it went up to 567 nits in auto mode. This will provide a comfortable reading experience outdoors. The color accuracy might not be the best I've seen. It has a bluish tint, which the natural mode was not able to tone down like the rest, but its contrast is very good at 1601:1. Realme says that they implemented a granular refresh rate control, which depends on the scenario. Because of this, static images will put the display in 30 Hz mode, while movies and videos will run at 48 Hz, the TV play should be 50 Hz, and games are to be played at either 60 or 90 Hz, while everything else runs at 120 Hz. Let's quickly look at the Realme 9 Pro Plus. The Realme 9 Pro Plus is another Realme product that stands out. You will love it for its features. The device offers a photochromatic design, fluid AMOLED screen, flagship-grade camera, and a fast charge. And to top it all, it still retains the affordable price like its predecessor. I'll be sharing with you all its features. Design. Realme designs are always unique and beautiful. The Realme 9 Pro Plus in sunrise blue can be termed as a masterpiece design. The Realme 9 Pro Plus has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen. The screen has an extended 1080p resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 support. Unlike its predecessor, the Realme 9 Pro Plus offers an improved 360 Hz touch sampling rate. The sunrise color of the Realme 9 Pro Plus is simply outstanding. The sunrise color features a photochromic glass panel on the back of the device. The color shifts from blue to pink-orange when exposed to sunlight. You'll love it. The Realme 9 Pro Plus has a flat Gorilla Glass 5 shield above its screen. It also has a flat plastic frame that has a matte look. The phone's flat bottom helps the phone to stand on its own. The Realme 9 Pro Plus misses the point because a splash protection isn't one of its features, which is not so good. Finally, the power or lock key and volume keys are accurately and adequately spread out on both sides of the device. While the power key is the only key on the right side, the volume keys are on the left. Camera and speaker. The Realme 9 Pro Plus has a tri-camera set up at the back of the device. The cameras and an LED light spread out in a rectangular shape. The first camera is the 50-megapixel primary camera, followed by the 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and the 2-megapixel macro shooters. The rear camera is also a major improvement when compared to its predecessor. It has a primary eye with a large 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor with an OIS lens. Like the Realme 9 Pro, and the 9 Pro Plus also has a high-quality zoom. The Realme 9 Pro Plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera is the same as the one on its predecessor. There is also a 2-megapixel macro shooter. Sadly, the depth sensor was removed, same as the memory card space on the SIM tray. The Realme 9 Pro Plus stereo speaker you will find above the screen, and the second at the flat bottom of the device gives it a hedge over 9 Pro. Unlike the Realme 9 Pro, the 9 Pro Plus has a better quality speaker that will help you to hear your music or ringtone when you're far away from the phone. Battery life. The Realme 9 Pro Plus has the same battery as the Realme 8 Pro and the Realme 7 Pro. They all possess a 4500 mAh battery. The Realme Pro Plus can fast charge at 60 watts, unlike the Realme 8 Pro that can only charge at 50 watts, although both batteries are still the same 4500 mAh. The Realme 9 Pro Plus has an overall endurance rating of 117 hours, which is on par with the 8 Pro and 7 Pro. The Realme 9 Pro Plus did a very good job with its on-screen tests. The standby performance of the device has improved when compared to its predecessor, but the 3G call time for this model has dropped a bit. Display. While being tested, the display went up to 433 nits when the brightness slider was manually set to maximum, and the screen's brightness went up to 613 nits in auto mode and was exposed to sunlight. It possesses a minimum brightness of 1.9 nits at point white. This will allow the light from the device to be easy on the eyes when using it in a very dark setting. Other features. The Realme 9 Pro Plus gaming performance is great with MediaTek's 1080 by 2412 pixel Dimensity 920 5G chip. The processor and graphics are more powerful. The Realme 9 Pro Plus beats its predecessor in terms of the Snapdragon 720G chipset. The Snapdragon 720G chipset was used within the previous older models. It offers connectivity options like 5G and Wi-Fi 6. One special feature that the Realme 9 Pro Plus offers is its under-display optical fingerprint scanner. It is fast and effective. The Realme 9 Pro Plus runs on Android 12 with Realme UI 3.0. This is one of the first phones to run on this software. We've come to the end of today's video on product review. I hope you found the video educational and fun. You can also check my other videos to see other product reviews that you love. If you're satisfied with the video, take a minute to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to get access to other videos. Goodbye.